Hi, my name is Kevin. This is my sister.
Hi, my name is Nana.
Today we're going to learn how does electricity work when we turn it on and off using a light bulb. So you will need 4 2-snap wires. Okay, get it?
Okay.
Have it. Wait, put it here. And then disassemble them. 1 3-snap wire.
Yeah.
These two. The battery.
Yes.
Which has 3 volts plus here and minus here.
And what? I don't know.
And lastly, the slide switch. Right now it's on off. However, if you turn on, the light will light up. Lastly, the light bulb.
I was going to say, Kevin.
Now, first, Hannah, take this like this, Hannah. Okay, so first, take your battery holder and put it anywhere in this grid. You can also do it without the grid, but it will keep it stable. Then, get your 3-snap wire. Get your off and on.
I'm going to put it.
And then, I was putting it on. Put it right next, like this, or you could also put it the other side, to the battery.
Can I put that? No. Can I put it now?
Next, take one of the 2-snap wires and then put it in between the knobs to snap it on.
Yeah.
Then, take your 3-snap wire and put it right next to the on and off switch. In these, please. Hannah, put.
Okay.
Almost. Yeah, you got it. Now again, use that 2nd snap wire to snap it up here. Now, get your light bulb and put it between the 3-snap wire and the battery. Between, Anna. It's between, like this, and in between. Here. Lastly, add the last 2 snap wires in the base from the light to the battery, and then in the space between the light and the 3-snap wire.
Wait, what?
Good. Now, lastly, turn it on. Ta-da! This happens because, it goes like this. So this is the battery, and then it goes in this cycle. In the first 2-snap wire, past the light, the 2nd 2-snap wire, the 3-snap wire, the 3rd 2-snap wire, but since it's off, it doesn't move anywhere. That is, unless it's on. That 3rd snap wire energy, second snap wire energy passes through the switch at the 4th snap wire and then it comes back to the battery. Because of this, the light lights up.
Yeah.
So this is how you control electricity with a switch, by turning it off or on.
Can I turn
and off again? Right now, the light is not lighting up because the circuit is open or it's off. When the circuit is open, then the electricity can't pass through the switch, so the light doesn't on. However, if you close the circuit, also on the circuit, that the electricity can pass through the switch and get back to the battery, so the light turns on. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to our channel, Smart Science Kid. Bye for now. See you soon.
Bye.